Hello everyone. 2014 I was working as a lecturer or assistant professor in the degree college in Lucknow, and it was the month of February. Mostly in February the cold comes down, but we live near the Himalayas, maybe 400 kilometers away it is. So from September to March the weather cannot be trusted. The temperatures were not very cool, but it was pleasant. It was like good. And other people were in jackets or sweaters. I anyhow feel lesser cold compared to other people around me. So I was just in a half t-shirt and I was being there as a representative. And to my shock, it was 11:30 when the fest got over. And when the fest got over, I had to drop someone to the hostel student and take care of that. And then I was way back home. Almost 30 kilometers journey I had to take. And it was almost midnight. And all of a sudden, as soon as I reached the edge of city, my home comes a bit outskirt area compared to the main city. My scooter on which I was riding, it just stopped. All of a sudden, it just stopped. It was there. No matter what I did, it was not starting only. I had to take it to a petrol pump near me, and there people were like very very helpful. They tried to help me, but it didn't start. They said you can leave your vehicle over here. You can stay here all night if you wish. We are burning a bonfire. You can join us, or you can go home. Take a cab because this time no mechanic is available. I was like, why? What happened? It's a new scooter. I have maintained it. I have done everything so good, and I have worked so hard, and this is what I am getting. And ultimately, I had to call a cab, and it dropped me home, and 300 bucks I had to spend. The thing is that the night was really cold, and there was a snowfall in the Himalayas, and the temperatures had dropped drastically. Till the time I was in city, there were huge buildings, there were vehicles around me, so I was not feeling cold. But my home is after cantonment area, which is almost forest. Had I driven my scooter in that area, I would have surely got sick because of the cold and harsh winds. Temperature had dropped suddenly to 2 or 3 degrees Celsius that night because of the snowfall in Himalayas. So it was not that something bad had happened to me. Universe had protected me from that cold wave. I was grateful and thankful even then, even though I didn't know anything about like law of attraction exists or belief create reality kind of stuff. But I was grateful. And the next day morning, I took a mechanic to that place, and my scooter got repaired in 5 minutes. It was a very minor problem, and 100 bucks I had to spend. And the thing is that I was not wearing any jacket, I was not wearing any sweater, I was not wearing anything. And had I gone through such cold areas in such cantonment where there are lots and lots of trees and forests, I would have surely caught very severe kind of cold. So it was the universe trying to protect me. So whenever in life you are getting frustrated and you're feeling that things are not going your way, and no matter how well you try to perform, everything comes down, is not happening good to you, believe in the universe. The universe is having your back. It's trying to protect you from something. Have patience, have faith. And you'll see that ultimately when you look back, you'll realize that those things were better for you. What the universe decided, what the universe plans was, it was definitely better for you. Have a great day and a great life.